Let's continue. Let's call our shop really quick.
Okay.
Thank you for choosing quality. Our staff looks forward to serving you.
Sounds like
To
a
speak with a window
neutral
film
girl
specialist
voice.
regarding a new estimate or existing appointment, press 1. To speak with our sign department, press 2. For our paint protection division, press 3. Thank you for choosing quality. My name is Jared. How may I best serve you today?
Hey, I was wanting to get my car tinted.
Sure. Yeah, I can help with that. Let me take a look. What's the year, make, and model?
It's a 2019 Honda Civic Sport.
Okay, hold on 1 second. For some reason, all of my stuff closed on me and I have to reopen it all.
It's all good.
Okay. It's a 2016 Honda Civic Sport?
2019.
2019, got it. And what's the main reason for the tint? Are we looking for more heat rejection? We just want an aesthetic change, or do we want like more privacy? What's most important of all of those?
More heat rejection, please.
Great, awesome. And are we looking at doing all the windows plus the windshield?
All the door windows and the back window.
Okay, great. So no windshield, no sunroof.
No, thank you.
Perfect, awesome. Let's take a look here 1 quick second. All right, you just kind of looking at what's the timeline look like for you? Trying to get this done pretty quick, or
I'm thinking sometime next week.
sometime next week? Okay, cool. Let me take a look at our calendar and I'll start kind of going into options for you. So a couple of things. You mentioned heat rejection is most important to you. We try to recommend a ceramic tint in most cases versus a dyed tint. I will quote you both just to give you both options. But realistically, if you care most about heat rejection, that is our most popular series. The difference being a dyed tint is a transparent film that is dyed during the manufacturing process. A ceramic tint, the actual material itself is made the color that it is, so it just adds a lot more heat rejection to it. Take a look here. And just to give you an idea on cost for, this is the 4-door, correct?
Yes.
Awesome. Yeah, let's get some availability. I can get you in the full vehicle. We're looking at $520 for our ceramic series. It's our Pinnacle ceramic series tint.
Okay. Is there any other prices?
Yeah, so that's for our ceramic series. We do have one other ceramic series that is Strata that is a little more expensive at $795. The difference being it's a lot more heat rejection than the Pinnacle series. If you wanted something a little bit less expensive, we could go with a dyed tint, kind of like I was saying before. And don't get me wrong, it still gives you great heat rejection. It's just not at the same level as Pinnacle ceramic. And for that, you'd be starting at $335.
Okay. And so what makes you guys different from other shops?
A couple different things. So most people choose us because of our 100% money-back guarantee. And what that means is if you're not happy with the workmanship, the product, the experience, pretty much any part of the process, you simply don't pay.
Okay. I'm probably going to call around some other shops around the area and stuff like that and get some other price quotes, and I'll probably give you guys a call back to schedule an appointment.
Sounds good. And then actually, before you do that, do you have any questions for us or concerns? I'd love to try and kind of go over anything you might. I know this is, have you had cars tinted before by any chance?
No, I have not.
Oh, okay, cool. So I know you live in this area. You're from the valley. You know, I know it's a pretty warm day today, for example, so it can make kind of a difference.
I'm from Atascadero.
He's back in the car.
Oh, cool.
Deal or no deal?
Cool. All right, nice. Yeah, definitely. Honestly, I know I'm kind of getting you different prices. Actually, you know what? I don't know if I can fetch you a deal because I would prefer if we could go with the ceramic option. Do you have any questions for us? Well, I'll see if I can maybe give you a couple of different options as well.
Could you give me a rundown of your privacy options?
Yeah, absolutely. So when it comes to privacy, it's going to be the level of tint, not necessarily the tint material itself. Obviously, the darker you go, i.e. the lower number, you're going to get more privacy. Now, you mentioned you're not doing the windshield. That's fine. That is where the majority of the light will come into the vehicle. So if you really do care about privacy, we do recommend doing the windshield as well. Again, not necessary, but for privacy, that is where a lot of that light comes in. Again, think of it kind of like in a dark room, you have a flashlight on. Looking at it from the outside in, you're going to see anything inside of that room. So if you can eliminate as much light from the inside as possible, it's going to make a pretty big difference. Let me take a look here. You know what? We do have some availability next week. I have a Friday appointment. We had a block that canceled. And actually, I think you said next week. We even have a block that canceled tomorrow. I could offer you a...
You can't say no.
Can't say no. Can't say no.
You feel bad because it's doing so good.
If that would make it a little more enticing for you.
Okay. I'm probably gonna weigh all the options that you told me and stuff like that and see what time or see if I want to do this and stuff like that. I'll probably give you guys a call back.
Cool. And then before you call around, did you have any other questions for us? Any concerns or anything at all? I'm happy to answer any questions for you. I know it's different when you're kind of getting into this for the first time.
Just kind of want to weigh the price option and see if I'm able to afford it and stuff like that. If I want to commit to it.
Oh, I totally get it. Yeah, 100%. And if it makes any difference as well, since we are really trying to fill that slot, we don't always do this, but I can extend the 15% discount to our Dive series as well, the AFC, which would bring the price down to. I bring it down to $285 for the entire vehicle. No windshield, but that would be the entire vehicle.
Okay. And you said what time next week you had available?
We have availability on Friday, but we also have availability tomorrow. If you wanted to do a Saturday appointment, we do have our tinter here. We had an appointment canceled, so we're kind of trying to fill that slot, which is why I'm able to extend that discount to you when we normally wouldn't be able to do something quite like that.
I'll take that tomorrow slot.
Okay, great. Is 8 o'clock in the morning too early, or is that okay?
8 o'clock works.
Okay,
He's
great.
like sweating. He's like, shit, I'm not up
So
until
it's the
12.
2019 Honda Civic Sport. Cool car, by the way. What color is it?
Gray.
Oh, still building.
Nice. Is it like that kind of metallic, like you get close, you can see the little bits that make it more shiny kind of gray?
Yeah. Yes.
I love that one. That's cool. One of my buddies actually has the same color. It's not on a Civic though. It's on. I think it's on a. I want to say it's on the Accord, but I'm not 100% sure.
Okay. Yeah. No, I love the gray color and stuff like that. I'm thinking about getting
for sure.
PPF done.
Oh, really? Okay, cool. We do offer that here as well.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, we actually do. Yeah, we do offer PPF here. You thinking about doing the entire vehicle, maybe just a section of it? What's your main concern? What's your reason for looking at a PPF, just out of curiosity?
Just like protect the paint on my car and stuff like that. But I'll probably do that at a different time. I'm gonna do window tinting first.
Okay, for sure. Well, I'll tell you what, while you're here, I can look at it for you and kind of give you an idea of what cost and different options we have, different packages, and go over that with you. One more thing real quick. Can I actually get your first and last name? I wanted to make sure I had this down properly.
Mike Williams.
Sorry. And a good phone number for you? Alrighty, Mike. I've got you in here for 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, 2017 Honda Civic Sport. We're going to go with that AFC tint. Again, the price will not change depending on what level of tint you go with. We can go over options while you're here. And the good news is we can change anything that you want up until you literally hand us the key. So if you get here, you decide you want to go something different, we're happy to help you out any way that we can. I will go over PPF options with you as well. You're looking for mainly paint protection, which is very smart, especially on these Civics. They got a lot of angles. They love to catch rocks. I've seen it happen.
Okay, thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Yeah, no worries at all. But anything else I can help you with?
No, I think that's it. I appreciate it.
Okay. Yeah, no worries. Thanks so much, Mike. I'll see you tomorrow. We'll see you tomorrow morning.
See you tomorrow.
Thanks. Bye-bye.
Bye.
He did great. So the one thing I was thinking the whole time, which is why I was doing this, is that no one previously, and not even him until the end, said, look, here's all the prices, but you don't need to decide that now. Yeah. Wait until you come in, we can touch and feel. No, not one person out of every shop said you can touch and feel, not even our shop. Once you get here, I have a display that will show you how much heat they block, and you can make your final decision when you come in. So you don't need to decide on price right now.
Yeah.
Let's get you on the schedule, blah, blah, blah. But he ended up saying that.
Yeah.
And what I love about what Jared did is he took the time to build rapport, ask about your car, what color is it, even after he was getting the sale.
Yeah.
Just like you were booking. You were booking, and he was like, yeah, so what type of color, what color is it? His tonality was like impeccable.
He's a people person. He's very good at like talking, just like creating small talk, creating that conversation.
Yeah, and those laughs that he throws in. Also, I've seen it happen.
The explanation about the tints wasn't like too much. The other lady was like, and he died.
Oh, she was actually fumbling. She said something about film stretching. I'm like,
I don't know what fumble is. Like,
so anyways, that was, he did remarkable, I think.
Yeah.
I mean, he pulled you back in because that's the main thing, is that you said, okay, I'm going to call around. And he said, awesome, no problem at all.
Yeah.
Diffused it. If you don't mind me asking, is there any questions or comments or concerns you had before you get off the phone? And he pulled you all the way back in.
Yeah.
Literally, it started to get hard for you to say, no, I'm still going to call around because I don't know why. He overcame everything. It was legitimately.
He made me feel like at ease, you know, because I feel like it was easy to talk to. I felt like he was running to answer everything.
He wanted it, like he wanted it because he was actually caring and trying. Wow.
He wasn't begging at all. Just like, yeah, sure.
Enthusiastic.
I think the best part was like up until you had me handed the keys. It's like, oh, man, I can like you probably get PPF.
My favorite thing was when he got perked up when I said PPF.
Oh,
he's like, oh, that was funny.
Oh, really?
He's like, oh, really? I was waiting for him to come up here being like, I might have a PPF sale tomorrow. So that's what I was.
So proud of
I
him.
have to go down there and cancel before he calls that phone number.
Yeah, yo, Mike Williams.
I thought he was going to say, okay, I'm going to send you an automated text message while we're on the phone. Just make sure that you got that before we get off.
Like, some random phone number.
The biggest negative was the fact that it took him so long to get the price sheet. It's like, where is the price sheet? Why is it taking him so long?
He actually said he closed everything out by accident or something like that. That's what he said at the
They
beginning.
have printed ones
Oh.
for that reason. But you got to go down and do
So I don't think, but anyone watching this video, please don't hesitate to secret shop our shop here, which is 805-541-5533. Thank you guys.